The Lethbridge Hurricanes play the fourth of a season-long six-game homestand tonight at 7 o'clock as they welcome the Medicine Hat Tigers to the VisitLethbridge.com arena. The Hurricanes entering on an 8-game point streak, 7-0-0-1 in that span, looking to track down the Tigers in the Eastern Conference standings, and the Hurricanes approaching tonight like a must-win.
Big thing for us was obviously building off last game. I think, it was a hard-fought battle, and we kind of showed that even when we're down, we're capable to come back and get the win. So I think against a team like this, we kind of just got to start off strong, but also play a full 60 minutes and finish hard against them, and I think we'll like our luck here.
Really exciting weekend. It's going to be an electric rink, and that's what we're most excited about is the atmosphere that we're playing in. But it's a great challenge. I mean, it's a weekend that you're really excited about playing in to see where your group measures up. Going into playoffs versus two really good teams. And tonight I expect a fast-paced hockey game with some skill going both ways. And the team that's going to win is going to be able to manage pucks and make sure that they limit chances off the rush. And the team that possesses more ozone time, I think that's the biggest key. And we have to play a mature style game, but have to be very competitive.
Yeah, I think that's kind of the mentality for the rest of the year. I think these are crucial points. We can climb up the standings and try to catch some teams here. So I think that's kind of what we need to bring throughout the rest of the season, not just tonight, but it's going to be a big one.
It's the 7th of 8 regular season meetings between the Hurricanes and the Tigers. Lethbridge has posted a 3-3 record so far this season, with all 6 games being decided by the home team coming out on top. Medicine Hat coming into tonight's game sitting 4 points better than the Hurricanes in the Eastern Conference standings. Limited tickets available for tonight. Doors open at 6 o'clock. Puck drop at 7 from the VisitLethbridge.com arena.